Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is about how to perform a front breakfall properly. This is a new addition to our fight training program. So before we get there, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Front breakfall. This is how it's executed from the feet. We'll start from kneeling, especially if no one's done, or people haven't done this before, or it's been a while. But I'm gonna brace with my arms bent roughly at 90 degrees, looking through a window. All right, this position doesn't change. And I'm gonna match the ground. So as my hands hit the ground, I keep this position and disperse all the force through my forearm and my palms. All right, so in real time, that's how it looks. If you don't put force into the ground, your face is gonna hit the floor. So it's really important. That being said, since it's your first times, everybody get on their knees, and we'll do it from a kneeling position first. Okay? So create a window in front of you where your hands are at 90-degree angles. And if you ever hold focus pads, kind of like when you catch a punch, you're gonna match the ground with force. Lean forward and fall. Come back up. Again, lean forward, fall. Two more like this. Lean forward, fall. One more. Lean forward, fall. Now the progression before we get to standing is as I lean forward, I'm gonna kick my toes back. I'm gonna land on the pad of my foot and get into a planked position. All right, so that teaches you to spring and lurch forward artificially without force. Hands are up. As you start folding forward, kick your feet out. You should land in a plank position and return back. Hands up, spring forward. Come back. Hands up, spring forward. Come back. Hands up, spring forward. One more time. Hands up, spring forward. Okay, for those of you daunting and daring, we're gonna do some standing. If you don't feel comfortable, stay kneeling. All right? The same idea is going to occur. If you feel too scared to kick your feet back immediately, start with a squat and come forward. All right? So this would be the next progression, is launching yourself forward instead of just kicking your legs up in the air and falling directly down. All right? So from here, hands are up. You're going to squat. Now kick your legs back into a plank. There you go. Again. Hands up. Squat, kick back. Up. Hands up, squat, kick back. One more time. Hands up, squat, kick back. Okay.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.